Hi, welcome to the viaSocket. Today we will learn how we can send Google responses to Slack through viaSocket. Now, first of all, select the trigger event. That would be Google form. Now select new form response. Now we will select the desired file from where we have to take the responses. Select the file. Test the file. After testing it, we would get the file details right below. Make it done. Now, select the Slack as a triggered event. Select the option Send a message. Now, select the channel you want to have a Google responses on it. Now, select the body content which would have the responses we made in the Google form. Here are some responses like created time, last time, date, email ID, and folder. Mark all the responses. Now, after that, the responses have been mentioned. We will just send those responses in the Slack. Now we are sending it as a user. Yes. Now scroll down and test the flow. Here's the sample data. These are the responses. You can see the responses you are going to send in the Slack. Scroll down to see all the responses. Now, test the responses. Now, as the responses had been tested, now it's time to publish the flow. To publish the flow, we just retest the flow, after which the notification of our Google responses will be sent to the Slack. We can check here also in the Slack. The responses we selected has been sent to the Slack. Now, publish the flow. Click on Publish Changes. Now, click on Yes. After clicking the Yes, the flow has been published. Follow viaSocket for such more videos. Thank you for watching.